Hi, Alex. It's so nice to see you again. How have you been?
Hey, Sophia. It's great to see you too. I've been doing well, just keeping busy with work. How about you?
I've been doing well too. I've been reading a lot lately, and I came across something interesting about the power of positivity. Have you ever thought about how a positive mindset can change your life?
I think about it a lot, actually. I believe that positivity is powerful. It can help you get through tough situations and make you see things differently. But sometimes it's hard to stay positive when things aren't going well. What do you think?
I agree with you. Staying positive isn't always easy, especially during tough times. But I've noticed that when I focus on the good things, even small ones, I feel much better. It's like a habit that helps me stay strong.
That's a great point. I think it's all about mindset. If you focus on the good, you can find solutions to problems more easily. It's like changing your perspective. What do you do when you're feeling down?
When I'm feeling down, I try to take a step back and remind myself of all the things I'm grateful for. It can be as simple as the people around me or a beautiful day outside. That usually helps me feel better. What about you?
I do something similar. I try to remember the positive things in my life, like my family and the things I've accomplished. Sometimes I take a walk or do something active to clear my mind. It really helps me reset.
That sounds like a great idea. I think physical activity can really boost your mood. I also love journaling. It helps me process my thoughts and express gratitude for the little things. Do you have any habits that help you stay positive?
Yes, I enjoy exercising, but I also practice mindfulness. I try to meditate for a few minutes every morning. It really helps me center myself and stay calm, no matter what happens during the day. Have you ever tried meditation?
I've tried it a few times, but I haven't made it a regular habit. I've heard it can be really beneficial, especially for staying present. I should definitely give it another try. Do you find it difficult to stay positive all the time?
Honestly, it's not always easy. There are days when everything seems difficult, but I remind myself that it's okay to have bad days. What matters is that you keep going and don't let negativity take over. How do you deal with challenges?
I try to see challenges as opportunities to learn. Even though it's hard sometimes, I remind myself that overcoming obstacles makes me stronger. I also talk to my friends or family when I need support. Having a support system is important, right?
Definitely. Support is key. No one can go through life alone. And when you have people who care about you, it's easier to stay positive. I also think having goals and things to look forward to helps keep a positive outlook on life.
I couldn't agree more. Having goals gives you something to focus on and work towards. It makes the tough moments feel less important because you have something bigger to look forward to. Do you have any big goals right now?
Yes, actually. I've been working on a personal project that I'm really excited about. It's been a lot of work, but every step forward feels like a small victory. How about you? Do you have any goals that keep you motivated?
I do. I'm working on improving my skills and learning new things. Right now, I'm focusing on my career and learning more about personal development. It's not always easy, but I love the progress I'm making. It feels so rewarding.
That's great. I think personal development is something everyone should focus on. It's about growing and becoming the best version of yourself. And it's not always about big changes. It's the small, consistent steps that matter the most.
Exactly. Little steps add up to big changes. I feel like being positive also helps you stay motivated and inspired to reach your goals. Without a positive mindset, it's hard to push yourself forward.
You're so right. Positivity makes a huge difference in how we approach challenges and work towards our dreams. I think it's important to remember that it's okay to stumble sometimes, as long as you keep getting back up.
I love that. It's not about being perfect. It's about trying your best and learning along the way. I think I'm going to start focusing even more on the positive side of things. Thanks for this conversation, Alex. You've really inspired me today.
I'm glad I could inspire you, Sophia. I think we all need reminders sometimes. Keep focusing on the positive, and I know you'll continue to grow and achieve amazing things. Let's both make a promise to keep looking for the good, no matter what.
I promise, Alex. Thanks for your positivity. It's been great talking to you. Let's meet again soon.
Absolutely, Sophia. Take care and stay positive. I'll talk to you soon.